shopping today, but I'm just feeling quite tired as well because I'm during my period, and then I never want to do anything when I'm during my period. I did so much last week, so like now I just don't want to do anything. I feel bad, but I am gonna go and do some thrift shopping today. I already bought some stuff actually the other day, so I can show you that too. Guys, I think I might have bought a bit too much stuff. Okay, first I got this like brown and navy sweater from Brandy Melville, which isn't technically thrifted. Then I bought this peacock top, which has a cool back, which was €8. I got this green, white and stripy top for €5. And then I bought this white crochet top for €6. And then I think I'm going to stretch this to make it off the shoulder, to make it a bit more interesting. My carry-on bag is going to be so heavy by the time I get back to England with all of these clothes. But it's worth it at the end of the day, and everything was very cheap, so it's not like I'm making a bad investment. I think I'm going to end the video here, so remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.